Hey, I hope everybody's having a great day out there. It's Ron Newsbaum. I am the founder of BuilderComs, and today we're going to go over how to add and remove crew members from a project. And it's super simple. So let's go into our projects and let's jump into this mastery lane. And when you're in the main project page, you'll see assign crew. Now down here, you see add or edit. And from here, I can remove the crew guys just as I can add them. So when I confirm that, they're no longer on this project. Now, if you're coming in here and you want to add somebody to that project, you can come in, click right here, and you can see we got a few different guys. Crew lead's going to be Rocky on this, so we put him in there. And then let's say Ron's going to be the crew member. We add them. They do get notifications that they have been added to a new project. It allows them to be able to come in here, create a project update, so they can say, hey, we're on the way to the job site. They can upload pictures, videos from the job site, or say, hey, we're leaving and we're leaving the keys under the door. Just quick stuff in there. It allows your crew guys, big ones, the pictures, to go in there, leave pictures from the work they've done for the day, so everybody's on the same page. As always, don't hesitate to reach out to us. You can go to our contact page on buildercoms.com or just reach out to team@buildercoms.com. We are here to help. It's one of the reasons I put these videos together, is to be a quick resource. But if you need a little bit more education, you need a little bit more one-on-one time, don't hesitate to reach out to us. It's what we're here for, and I look forward to talking.